Brazilian foreplay.
That's what the name of it?
Yeah.
Hi guys, back again for another video. Today my husband will be unboxing my summer FabFitFun box. I want to share this video because if you're like me and you're a mom who doesn't get to practice self-care often, then this box is perfect because I always enjoy getting it in the middle, you know, in the mail. Hi Chase. Hi Chase. Anyway, so if you're like me and you don't get to practice self-care a lot, this box is perfect because you receive products in the mail that you probably wouldn't normally receive or purchase for yourself. And so I want to share this with you. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Sorry, I'm so distracted. But I hope that you enjoy this video, and if you do, share it with someone. I'm actually standing in my door so I can get some light. So that's my wreath. Just craziness over here. But anyway, if you like the video, hit like. Chase, don't close the door on me. And subscribe. And if I don't get to do another video before Christmas, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Chase, do you want to say Merry Christmas?
No.
Okay. Bye.
All right, everybody. This is what she spends her money on. This is FabFitFun. I didn't know this. It says in support of Global Give Foundation USA Girls in Action Alliance with Eva Longoria Foundation. So I guess part of the proceeds go to charity. FabFitFun. Let's see what's in this box. All right, got a FabFitFun Summer 2019. Looks like a quarterly magazine. Got that. Wow, here's a coupon for $10 off your box.
For the next box?
Yeah, for the next. It says your first.
Oh.
So I guess you can gift this to somebody that you know that may want to use this. 50% off first 2 deliveries of HelloFresh. All right, let's get to the meat. All right, where do I start? Got this is 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. We have Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. This is Sol de Tenura. This is a fast absorbing body cream. Helps tighten and smooth like no other. Can I open it and see what it smells like? I might need to use this because I don't like that greasy feeling. So it says fast absorbing stuff. Make sure you can't get into it too. Brazilian. This says Bum Bum Cream.
Yeah, that's just the name of it.
Oh, okay. Okay, we got the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. You don't mind me testing it out, do you?
Not much.
It smells good. Let's see if it's really what it says it is.
I hear a lot of people talking about how good it is.
I like it.
Does it smell girly though?
Doesn't really have a smell to it. It
Really?
smells like.
Your hand looks like it's glistening.
Is it?
Yeah, that was the main reason why I wanted to get this box for that.
Yeah.
Cause I heard so much about
It
it.
smells good, and it. You remember that stuff that watermelon?
Bath and Body
Bath and
Works.
Body Works.
Like that gel.
Yeah, that
lotion.
gel stuff. It feels and kind of smells like. But the thing, what I like about it, I don't like a lot of greasy products, and this is smooth. It feels smooth, but it's not greasy.
Mm-hmm.
And it doesn't smell girly either. Got that. And this must be from the same family.
Oh, that's what I thought. I
This
got
is
something
the,
bigger.
Foreplay.
Yeah.
Brazilian foreplay.
That's what the name of it?
Yeah.
Why you say it like that? Yeah.
Brazilian foreplay. Moisturizing shower cream gel.
Okay.
But look at what it says. It says, love it, flaunt it, you got it. In Brazil, showering is more of a treat than a routine.
Okay, next product.
Okay, I'm sorry. Is this PG-13?
This is, yes, pasta.
Okay, it's, I don't know. Yeah. It's pretty cool. We gonna have to try this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is refining micro polish. It's an exfoliant. It's a super fine polish, gently exfoliates with plant jojoba beads. So it's an exfoliant. It's cool.
Yeah, what I should have done was let you look up the price for some of these
I know.
stuff.
I was just thinking about this. And
The
see
regular price. See if it's under the bottom. Does it tell you the regular price?
No.
Oh, okay.
See how much it would have cost if you bought all this stuff individually.
We'll do that. Maybe.
Rose spray, hydrating rose. This facial spray.
Mm-hmm.
It says before or after makeup,
Mm-hmm.
and you can use it throughout the day.
Bougie.
That's good. Then you have the foot mask.
Don't you dare.
You need this one.
Your mama need this.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot I was recording.
Smooths and softens, intense hydration. Which exfoliating foot mask. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. And it's 2.5 ounces. Be quite a few things. Mystery choice. Did you this must be one item that they put in there that you don't know that's in there. So you chose all this other stuff?
Not all of it. Some of it I got a chance to choose between certain products to pick
Okay.
which one I wanted.
So this is a mystery.
Is this the last item?
No,
Oh, okay.
a couple more pieces in here.
Okay.
This is vanilla orange peel hand cream.
Oh, nice. I like a good hand cream. Cute packaging. Turn around, let me see the front. Oh yeah, that's cute.
Straight.
No, the packet.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I hear
It's a
you.
straight black tube,
Okay, that's nice.
like they do in the videos. I
What?
don't know why they do that. Can I open it?
No. Yeah. I guess since you're testing, just don't squeeze too much product out.
Let me try another thing. Grown Alchemist. Biological beauty. Oh, this smells good.
Really? What does it smell like? Vanilla? Did it say vanilla? Oh no, it was something else.
Tangerine, almost.
Okay.
Yeah. This says vanilla. Orange peel. That's why. Orange peel. Ooh, smooth. That's that. Now you got a this is Jennifer Zuna jewelry. Did you know you
Oh
have
yeah, a
some
little
jewelry?
necklace or something, yeah.
Nice little bag comes in. That's cool.
Oh yeah, that's
Necklace.
cute. Mm-hmm.
Simple.
Mm-hmm.
these are crystal clear and a nude ponytail holder.
Oh yeah, I think I saw it.
Got two different ones. Oh, it's three of each. Look, little ponytail holders.
That it?
Yep, that's it.
So, what do you think about the FabFitFun?
So now, how much did we pay? How much was it?
Yeah, I think I paid like 40.
So you got 1, 2.
It's full size items
4,
though.
5, 6, 7.
Wait,
8.
look up. Do you have your phone? Look up the price of just one of those.
So you got 8.
Full size items.
8 items plus you got the hair accessories and you got the necklace. Even without the hair accessories and the necklace, 8 pieces you're looking at $5. So it's would you pay more than $5?
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. Look up the prices. I think it's supposed to be like a $200
Which one do
value.
you think?
You look that up.
Brazilian.
Yeah, cause that price, that probably was the cost of the box.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was it? Did you pay anything for shipping?
I can't remember. I have to. Oh my God, this is just like a man. You gotta get technical. Yeah, but I think the boxes is supposed to be a $200 value. I think. Yeah, find out how much that Brazilian stuff is, because I think I'll end up buying it after. I actually have been wanting to try it. I heard so much about it. And your hand looked like it was glistening when you put it on.
$13-ounce
How much?
Brazilian foreplay.
I can't see.
$25.
Oh, it's 25. Okay,
Yeah.
it's cheaper than I thought though.
Yeah, it's 25.
Okay, look up some of that
Let's-
fancy stuff.
Let's do one more. Let's do the
Yeah, do those face things.
the face.
Yeah,
This
'cause-
right here.
Yeah, because sometimes those are expensive. This is how we analyze purchases here in the Hicks house. I used to be a beauty junkie. I know y'all can't see me. I look a mess. I won't get on camera, but I'll talk while he's doing that. I used to be, like a long time ago before I was married and had kids, I used to be a product junkie, especially when I was younger, like teenager in college. But somewhere along the way, I just fell off. But I'm starting to like enjoy.
Guess how much
Products.
this is?
Yeah. How
On
much?
Poshmark
How-
used.
Used?
Yeah.
How much?
It says pre-owned.
How much?
$60.
Wow.
Original price $160.
Yeah, see, that's the.
$160.
I thought so. Yeah. Cause what is it? What is the name of it?
That's one skin.
But what kind of thing
It's
is
a
it?
rose gold.
Rose gold. Yeah, that's what you're paying
Yeah.
for. Okay, so I would give.
160.
So I would give the FabFitFun box a A-OK, wouldn't you?
Yeah, it's for the price. Yeah.
And it's a quarterly subscription. It's for women that maybe don't take the time for self-care a lot. You can get this one little box quarterly and get some regular size products and to have you a spa night at home in the comfort of your home. I think it's worth it. Or better yet, some husbands can surprise their wives with this quarterly subscription. You see, my husband has put his stamp on it because I know men are always counting the cost of stuff. And so this will be a great surprise for your wife, something that she didn't know. She can get it in the mail. I don't know if you order it as a gift, if you can put a message on it or anything like that. But if not, even just the thought of it, when she gets it in the mail, you can tell her that you order it for her. Like, you'll get to use that foreplay lotion, that's for sure.
Shower gel.
Shower gel, whatever.
This is $20.
Really? Wow. And the other one was $25? Wow.
This
Foreplay.
You say this was 60?
25?
25.
Yeah.
Yeah, this 20.
I'm telling you, man, you order this for your wife, that shower gel will get used.
Look up one more item.
Okay, look at one more item. This is like, the fact that he's saving some money, I think that's making him excited. Now I gotta go so I can go check on your children.
8 ounces. This is 25.
Okay. What's that rose spray?
Rose spray, that facial spray. $25.99.
Yep.
Yeah, so we got a good deal on all of this.
Yep.
It's cool.
All right, so FabFitFun, it's husband approved, and we'll see y'all for the fall box. Looking forward to it. Say goodbye, baby.
Bye-bye.